takedown. Get out the car. Get out the car. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Got a 97 or 1037. Not yet, you got it?
10-4 with me, 100. Baseline was pretty hard. TVI. TVI for cheat gun. Takedown. Get out the car. Get out the car. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Get up. Get up. Man, what's up with your boy, dude?
I don't know, man.
That's some dumb shit, bro.
I told him that, but...
You got ID on there? Okay.
Stupid, dude.
Gotta find better prints. You got necklace on or anything?
Yeah.
All right, when I sit in the back of my seat, hold on, we'll figure out what we got going on, all right? Let's go over here. Let me turn off my stuff. Hey, what's up, dude?
What's up?
The crew, man. The QT crew.
Hey.
It's the QT crew.
Had to bring the OG. Hey, now.